Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to navigate in Bot Composer. So I'm basically going to show you how to create a new dialog and then just link it to this main dialog. So let me just restart the bot real quick so we'll see what we have for now. Okay, let me just open this web chat, restart conversation. So for now we have a welcome to our clinic message. I would like to schedule an appointment, modify an appointment, or other. So you guys can see this option here. And based on this option, I'll have a multiple option menu here, which is just basically called a branch switch. Get it from here, add, and then you go to create condition and then you got it here. So when you got multiple options, like in this scenario, because the user can select either schedule, modify, or others. All right. So if I click on, let's say, schedule appointment, nothing's going to happen because there's nothing set up here. So nothing happened. So what I want to do is I want to create a dialog, and then when the user click on any of these options, then go to a different dialog. I don't want to build all the bot here in this page. I mean, it's not a good practice because your bot's going to get bigger and bigger. It's going to extend functionalities. So for that, I create this new appointment dialog, but for the sake of this video, I'll create the modify appointment dialog. So I'm gonna go here, add dialog, and then I'm gonna call this modify appointment. And for the description, this dialog, modify appointments, and whatever you want to write there. Okay, perfect. All right, I have a new dialog here. So if you go to begin dialog, notice that I have one dialog here, two dialogs, and the main dialog here. So I want to do something here. Let me just send a response. We noticed that you want to modify your current appointment. Please give us your name. Okay, this is just one example, okay? The purpose of this video is basically to link these options to those dialogues. So what I'm gonna do here, and you guys have to be really careful about this, is going to this user input choice option and make sure you have a property here. So you can type user, whatever, user, name, anything you want. In this scenario, I have user dot option. So this is going to be like a variable, right? So that variable is going to store whatever you pick, and then you can pass that variable to the next flow. So now notice that you're actually grabbing that user dot option variable here, and that's how the bot knows what you actually selected because it stores that as a variable. If you don't do this, then your options here are not going to work. Okay, so for modify appointment, I want to go to dialog management and I want to begin a new dialog. So Bot Composer is going to ask you which dialog you want to go to, basically. So for modify appointment, I'm gonna have this modify appointment, and that's it. So let's try to link this other one, schedule appointment. It's basically the same option. So dialog management, then you gotta go to begin a new dialog. Same thing. You got the but you got a new appointment dialog now. Okay. So notice that we have two different names. So this is basically a kind of a good practice because you could just like send the answer here and keep the flow, or it's just gonna be way too long. So in this scenario, I'm just going to go to different dialogues. Let's try to restart the bot and let's see if it's actually working or not. So we're going to open the web chat, restart a conversation. Let's see what's the flow is saying. So it basically goes to welcome to our clinic and the three options. And if I select schedule appointment, then I'm going to, you want to schedule a new appointment, please tell us your name. So that's basically the new appointments dialog. Notice that you got the same message here. You want to schedule a new appointment, please tell us your name. If I restart the bot and I try to click on the other option, which is modify appointment, I'm going to have a different message. So modify appointment. We notice that you want to modify your current appointment. Please give us your name. So that's basically your other dialog here. Okay, so that was pretty much everything I wanted to show you for now. If you want to kind of change the way this is displayed, let me just show you here real quick. So you got this option hero card. If you want to kind of have that layout that I show you, but if you want to have a, let's say, an inline option, if you want to run that bot again, you'll see that it shows a little bit different. So let's see, open web chat. Notice this was the old option. If I restart a conversation, you're gonna have this different layout. So you have different options there. I don't like this one. There's another one that um, let's try real quick. So just in case, um, let's try the list and let's try to run the bot again. Let's try to open the web chat, restart the bot. Notice this is a different layout. So in this scenario, because you cannot click on this, you'll have to type, right? So schedule appointment. Still working, but it's a different option. And let's see what's the other one. So list, auto, suggested, action. If you leave this empty, there's also a different option. Let me show you real quick. Okay, let me just open the web chat again. And you'll see this other option. So those are basically three different layouts. For this scenario, I prefer to have this hero card option. All right. All right. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.